Yo, what's up, man? We back at the spot, got a little Kendrick Lamar in the background, a little framework here at the back. Yeah, I know you see, we back at the spot. But anyway, I don't want to be like those cringy YouTube video intros. Like, yo, what's good? It's like, come on, bro. I hate when people do that. But anyway. No beef against them. It's just, I don't know, I find it cringy. Anyway, yeah, right at the spot, man. It is Jesus, my English. It's the 2nd of November. It's 20 past 10. I'm preparing to go to bed. Did my last journaling. We've actually made 50 trades. We've logged 50 trades in this book. Damn. And we started I don't even follow any of these anymore. Like this strategy, I don't follow it. A lot has changed. A lot's changed. My psychology has changed. My confidence changed. The way I can see price and understand the language of price has changed. Bruh, it's just like a lot has changed, bro. My first ever log, like when I started really taking it serious, when I had to start journaling, because I've been told to journal from previous strategies or whatever, but I couldn't care to do it. I tried recording voice notes, but yeah, that shit never went anywhere, bro. But it's not until at this point where I'm like, you know what? I need to take this shit seriously. Like I dead ass need to take it seriously, and I did, and I'm so happy that we are like 50 trades. Like we've logged 50 trades. Mostly L's. I won't lie. Mostly L's. But lessons, Other than more important, they've been lessons. More than anything. And yeah, I started on the 28th of July. It's the 2nd of November now. So it's August, September, October. We're going for November. 3 months. Damn. 3 months just flies by, bro. And I was in a very, very, very dark place. Psychologically, bro, it was just, the markets were just killing me, bro. I didn't know what to do. I don't know what I was doing wrong, where I had to go, where I had to fix. Because I obviously freaking got a mentor, but I got a forex guru. I'm gonna call him a forex guru because, yeah, bro, I didn't learn how to trade from him. No offense. I'm just realizing that more and more. And it's crazy. More and more. Okay, not more, but people are just getting exposed nowadays, bro. Like, people be getting exposed. There's other mentors I'm gonna get. Forex guru. I might even call them a mentor because they don't mentor people like that. And it turns out she's a scammer. Thank God I dodged the bullet there, but I mean, I still paid it forward. So, it is what it is. I mean, if you're gonna be in business of doing that, then you gotta be consistent, bro. Like, you gotta be consistent. Like, you gotta mentor, you gotta give the psychological side of it, because this is a very psychological game that we are in, industry that we're in. But now if you just tell me enter here, boom, do that, but then you don't detail the aspects of dealing with overtrading, dealing with greed, dealing with fear, dealing with FOMO and all that, like, you gotta, like, also, like, shape our minds, like, mold our minds into the type of trader that you are, because essentially we're looking up to you to teach us. Anyway, it is what it is, man. Change strategies like once, and the second one, I'm just glad that I'm blessed enough to have picked one strategy, didn't work, and then find one and not even look back at it, because it's funny, because I had the first one and I was learning. I'm like, okay, I'm confident with this. And then I was looking at the second one. I just started watching it for some reason, size one, and I was kind of confused. And I'm like, nah, let me just dismiss it. But then I'm like, wait, there's a reason. I know the money did attract me, no lie. But it's like, how's this guy making so much money? Let's see how he's doing it. And it's so simple. And it's like, damn. Like, I logged in, I watched it like 3 times, bro. over and over. Like, I watched it 3 times over, and now I was like, okay, picked up on a few things here and there that I didn't pick up the first 2 times, but now I'm straight, bro. I am so happy. I'm confident. Yeah, man. I just gotta put in the work now and do it myself ultimately. And yeah, bro. Like, it's almost okay. I'm gonna make another video breaking down what I've learned in my first 50 trades. Serious trades, not just like throwing shit at a wall and hoping it sticks. First 50 trades that I've taken ever since I started taking this seriously, because I feel like I only start counting my trades that I've been taking seriously, that I'm taking trading seriously ever since I started journaling them. Because I mean, I did start on a live account in March, so I guess a year would be July, but I would say it's the first time I ever got into it was like March, so I guess we just leave it at that. But it's like it's officially a year since it got introduced back into my life again, and I strongly considered taking it seriously that time, because I got introduced to it April of last year, 2024, but I am just like, it's just a guy trying to sell me a butt. I'm like, nah, it's a scam, bro. And yeah, fast forward April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. 7 months later, came back into my life, and now again 7 months later. Yeah, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Yeah, 8 months. More or less the same thing. It just played out. This time I actually took it seriously. So I'm just glad that I'm at this point now. And a lot, bro. A lot has changed. I'm not gonna look at charts today. Markets closed Sunday. But tomorrow we're back at regular programming. I'm back here at my spot. Yeah, market's about to open in the next hour and a half. I think UK 100, because I'm still in the UK 100 trade. I didn't close. Yeah, I didn't close it. So yeah, we just see what price decides to do. Just gonna see what price wants to do it, and then yeah, man. So more videos coming out. For sure. That's not gonna change. That's definitely not gonna change. Yeah, I learned a lot, man. Really learned a lot by myself, and it feels much better now knowing that I'm in a place where I can progressively chase my dreams, bro, and go after what I want, not just like be stuck and not knowing what I need to do as a human being. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go back into this journal, read everything, see my psychology, see where I went wrong, see where I went right, see what I've overcome in these past 3 months, and also what I've learned in this year, man. This whole year of trading, being back introduced into my life, and then just see how far I've come, bro. Because damn, we're gonna be looking at these videos a year from now and be like, damn, we actually grew a lot. All the goals that we had listed, most of them got taken out, bro. The big ones got taken out, but like the short term big goals, yeah, short term big goals. Because obviously the long term ones, the big long term ones, those are like houses and stuff. Those things are like down the line, but we'll get there. Regardless, we'll get there. But yeah, you know what I'm talking about. You know what are the the big short term goals are. You know what they are. Yeah. But anyway, we're here now, and yeah, man, it was a good week. Just a brief update. And all of us to come. I'll probably do that video I have to take my journal and then actually start tomorrow. Yeah, I have to start tomorrow, and then I'll probably have it. It'll come out, man. Whenever it's ready, it'll come out. I'm not gonna. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm kind of tired. I won't put a pin on it because I don't know when it'll be done. Because I have to read through everything and jot down what I learned, what I unlearned, and all the good habits and bad habits that I've started to implement in my life. But yeah, slowly but surely those things will come to fruition. For now, I'm just so I really got nothing. I don't have a topic. I'm going hard on TikTok, so you guys should actually follow me on TikTok as well. I'm gonna post more of the short videos, short form videos on there. Here will just be more so for breakdowns. It's like proper breakdowns. But on there, it's just be like, yeah. But I'm also gonna have fun in there. I like to just talk about whatever. Talk about anything and anything that interests me and stuff like that. So I don't really care. Wow, it's actually crazy because last year, like I had no idea that I wanted to be on TikTok, like just talking. I thought I wanted to be a comedian, but I realized I'm not that funny. But I just knew I wanted to create content. I just didn't know what to create content about. But now it's like, man, I can just get in and just talk shit, just say whatever interests me or whatever the case is. I don't have to be funny. I don't have to be. I just be myself. I don't have to be someone that I'm not. So, it's really nothing else I could. Yeah, I'm still in it. I'm still doing it. And yeah, honestly, I haven't gymmed for the whole week, bro. Yo, I feel like I'm losing muscle mass because I'm not getting bigger. Bro, I saw my brother yesterday. Bro, he's getting big. Pause. Like, he's gaining muscle. And that's kind of like scary because, like, damn, I'm falling behind now. I gotta keep up. I gotta keep up. And that's what I want. That's what I wanted. That's really what I wanted. I wanted to look like, this guy's doing better than me. Nah. I gotta lock in. And it's gonna see him trading. Like, he's gonna see me doing good. He's like, I hope he feels like he's like, brother's doing better than me. Nah, I gotta lock in. I gotta make sure I make more money than him. Friendly competition. But now I saw him like, this guy's he's getting wham now. I'm like, I didn't exercise for the whole week. I felt like an idiot. Like, what? I mean, I still try to do push-ups here and there. I did my leg day, sort of. Yeah, I just didn't have the weights, the resistance, so it is what it is. But yeah, man, that's it from me. I'm about to hit the hay, and then yeah, I'll break down. Obviously, the charts from my last video, charts is still the same. Nothing has changed because the market's closed, obviously. But yeah, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a good week. It's November now. Okay, obviously at this time of recording, but yeah, it's gonna be an interesting week. It's gonna be a very interesting week because events have been pushed back. We only had FOMC. We didn't have. I think we had CPI. I don't know. We didn't have NFP, so who knows what November holds for us. But I know maybe November will be the last month we have like trades whatsoever. But I know like going into December, price is gonna be probably choppy. We don't know. I don't know. We'll just have to see what price does, and we'll probably not even take that much trades in December. We'll see. But that would probably be the best time to actually like just take a break. And actually think about it now. This is like probably the first weekend where I've actually taken a break from like trading. Not trading, but like looking at the charts so much. Like, yeah, I was so obsessed. Like, I would just always look at the charts. But now it's like, okay, I already know what I'm looking for. I already know how to read price. I'm good at reading price. So it's like, okay, I'm good, but I'm not great. I'm not where I want to be because I need to start identifying when price doesn't want to push down or push up, especially when it's having rejections. But I'm realizing that now, and I'm trying to internalize it. So I guess I need to put that in my notes. But yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. Break it down what I learned on how I could have entered a trade on gold. And yeah, especially if it's moving up, down, so meaning price doesn't want to move anyway, it's just in a zone. But meaning, okay, if it indicated above a level and it corrected and moved up, and it's done correcting, then it's done. It's still sort of corrected, but it's consolidating, meaning okay, it's done correcting now because I already made that higher low. Then chances are that I could just enter of any candle and then not any candle, but wait for like a blue candle to push up, and then yeah, I realized that yesterday. It's like, ah, damn, I could have taken the trade here, bro. I thought you could have taken the trade here, but because it indicated and then pushed down, and I could have just entered off of that candle, if I'm being honest. Once this candle closed, get an A, but I wasn't sure. Could have just continued pushing down. I don't know, but with the hourly candle, I had to look on the hourly and the 15-minute, because you see, basically did the same thing that I keep to keep this in mind. The same thing that I'm seeing on the 1 hour, I'm looking for the same thing on the 15-minute. So if it indicated book a higher, a lower high, I'm expecting it to also do the same on 15-minute. So it indicated and it corrected and it pushed up, closed with this candle. So essentially, I could have entered over that candle because it pushed down, moved up. And then yeah, set my stop loss below this level, below that, and then boom, Bob's your uncle, bro. But I would have targeted a 104 if I'm being dead ass. A 104, bro. Into here, I would have pushed up, came back down to my entry, pushed up. I would have hit my TP would have been hit like in the AM Asian session, like midnight. Bro, I'd have entered this shit like 8 a.m. Thursday. Held it the whole day, so I'm kind of like a day trader from now. I mean, we'll scale up, move into swing trader. But anyway, that's it, man. I'm gonna go do my homework. Oh, I don't need to do my homework because I already kind of did it now. But it is what it is. Anyway, peace.